Shout out to PMG Trinity. I'm back, what's up, yeah, that's what's up, yeah, fuck the bottom, let's go up there, anybody up here with us, so if you want us, come get us, we go hard against all means, oh man, it don't mean that all my needs are met, all I need is me, myself, and I, Cadelo, fly this guy, I bet will be the one to fly land right without no land, no grass, no sky, to find out I'm the reason why that we must all first live to die, so I'll make sure I'm doing right, cue the beat, send it to heaven, so my lyrics stay with you and live on earth, a living legend, I'ma hit this my at back, go take my goals and run it back, I can sit back and run my last, I just think that the simple fact that I was whack, you thought I would retaliate to haters that got my back, so watch me turn around, go forward and crush them flat, then reverse my flow and get right back on my path, and this nigga really smart, you ready for polymath, now I'm past y'all too fast, bro, I slow down, you speed up, I'm in next year, you beat up, now watch me beat this beat up, just relax and kick your feet up, I know you like when I speed up like this, now you niggas feel hungry, so I feed them like this shit, time to info you that I'm in another hit shit, I flip shit upside down if it's wrong side up, then flip it back around if it's sound size up to the greatest, what you know about that, don't judge my shit, you don't know how I rap, you know I'm back, and still I'm making tracks, had a pothole on my road, replaced my wheels with wheel to rap, so I could get back on my feet, then found a wheel to eat, every single track that's beat that almost brought me to the feet, I said I'm back, and still I'm making tracks, had a pothole on my road, replaced my wheels with wheel to rap, so I could get back on my feet, then found a wheel to eat, every single track that's beat that almost brought me to the feet, I said, have I told you what I think of my past, I don't at all, cause when it comes to my future, it ain't involved. Problem solved, life is the only thing problems will fuck us on. So solving mine is about the only thing I'm focused on. I just give my all, nothing less, always more. I'ma be Black Mamba 24 and always score. So you know I'm talking to anyone. Yeah, I'm dropping 81 points, but here's my point. I point my middle finger at the industry. Right now you're my enemy till you recognize talent. Recognize I could wreck the Titanic. No iceberg, just hands, don't panic, my man. I'm the reason you can't watch me on demand. I demand my respect, even though that I expect you to neglect, but I still respect that you reject, cause now you my hater and I love you always and forever. Now you see these niggas sick of my sick lyrics, cause I rep my style. Show them all that I can reconcile the game. I reconcile these lanes, promote the pursuit of fame. First, let me say it, don't mean talent is the curse, but to be the greatest there is, you need to master it first. Now I understand it, I reside on my own planet where it's everything I wanted, and I earned it cause I planned it. Now tell me that I suck, you ducks can fly south, cause the only thing sucking is the dick in your mouth. Bricks really stop dicking around. This is Trinity, nigga, and we play by the pound, boy. This the sound, boy, music all year round, boy. Never ask where this right here be round, boy. Feel the passion when I write, it's serious and funny, may make some people laugh, this is seriously funny, how stunning I balance my talent, I tell myself, I won't stop till I got my crown, trophies and title belt, I felt as I found it within myself, so I swear to always be more than top shelf, I wish nothing but good health for all my next opponents, just make sure when I see them, I let them know that I'm back, and still I'm making tracks. Had a pothole on my road, replaced my wheels with wheel to rap, so I could get back on my feet, then found a wheel to eat. Every single track that's beat that almost brought me to the feet. I said I'm back, and still I'm making tracks.